Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to automatically save and load the data using Python. For example, let me run this program for you. It says hello, enter any text over here. I'll enter Python, and once I enter that, it says your new text is Python. And also, once I load it again, it's going to automatically load my text, which is Python. And if I enter another word again here, let me enter YouTube. It's going to automatically save this text YouTube and says your new text is YouTube. And also, if I run it again, if I run the program again, it's going to automatically load this saved data. So that's what we are going to be working on today. Hi, also please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And also, so thanks to Curtis Minter for supporting us $2.18. Please don't forget to support me on PayPal. Even it doesn't matter even if it's $1, $2, $3. And once you do that, I'll send you all the source code for my YouTube videos for free. So how do you do it? Once you send your amount, write under your note here, write your email. Then I'll send all the source code for my YouTube videos for free. Please don't forget to support me on PayPal right over here. The link is at the description below. So let's continue and let's get started. Please don't forget to support me on PayPal. So let's get started. So first of all, let's just write a simple program on saving text. So let's write first of all, we are going to write text equal to input. Then what we are going to write is hello, enter any text over here. So then after we've written our text, then we write data, which is equal to print. Then we say your new text is, they will come over here, they will come out, they will write this variable here, which is the text here that we just input. They will write text over here. So let's run it right now. So over here it says hello, enter any text over here. Let me enter Y. It says your new text is Y. So now we are done with the first step. So now our next step now is for us to make sure that it's possible for us to save this data, this text, this our text. We just whatever we write, we save it and we automatically load it. So how are we going to do it? So let's let's write something right over here. Write data. We are going to write data equal, no, text. I'm going to write text equal to pickle dot dump then write text, then comma, then write open, and we write the name of the pickle we want to save it as. I'll write YouTube tutorial. I'll just write YouTube. We'll write comma, then write WB. Then write WB over here. Let's import the module Pickle. Then also, that is after we've. So now here's what will happen. Now when we impute our text, and when we impute whatever we impute, we save this. We save it in a Pickle. We save it in a Pickle module, which is right over here. We save this text, whatever we impute, right over here. So that's what we are. That's how to save the data with using Python Pickle. So what about loading too? For us to load our program, we are going to write data data equal to Pickle dot load. Then that file we will that file which we save it as YouTube. Then you are going to write comma, then RB. So that is our second step. I think I'm missing something right over here. I need to change this from data to text. Then here we write open. They'll also come here and write this right over here. So let's run it now. I want to show you something very important right over here. Let's run it now. It says an error, file not found error. What this means is that we haven't saved any data, so we can't load what we haven't saved. So it means that as the program now is new and fresh, as we are running the program newly, we haven't reached any process whereby we come over here to this text data, and we save our text right over here. And when we try to load it, it won't load because we haven't saved anything, or we haven't done anything yet. So it's just an empty file. So here's what we are going to do about it. How do we solve the problem of file not found error? So here's what we are going to do about it. So here's how we are going to solve the file not found error. First of all, we are going to do something right over here. So we are going to come down right over here and write import OS. Then here's what we are going to write now. We are going to write if OS dot path dot file dot is file, the name of the file, which is YouTube right over here. So we write YouTube right over here. Then we'll now give a condition. If this file, that means if this file does exist, then here's what we are going to do for this side right over here. We are just going to load our program without it giving us error. We are just going to load our program. Then we put tab right over here. So we are going to write another condition, which is else. And the else is that we'll just still load, and we are still going to load this our program again right over here, and we are going to follow the process, this same process from text input to data to text again, just the same thing right over here. So let's run it right now. Wait, before we run it right now, we forgot to do something. We are going to write over here If this file exists, we are going to write load equal to pickle dot load, and we write um open. We are going to write open here. Instead of us, let's just change this from right over here. We are going to write load. They will now print load. We are going to print our load, and over here too we are going to do this. We are going to just clear this load right over here. We are not loading anything since we don't have it, since we haven't saved any data yet. We are just going to reload our program like that. So now let's run the program and see if it shows us any error. You see it did not show any file not found error. Let's enter any text. Let's enter YouTube. It says your new text is YouTube. Let's run it again. It load back YouTube. It says enter any text over here, write Python. It says your new text is Python. And let's also run it again. It automatically loads our data, and you see that's how it's working right now. That's how to automatically, let's write any text. Your new text is Y. And also if you click on open again, it's going to load back our text, which is Y. So I think that's how to automatically save and load using Python program, using this simple Python program. So that's how to save and load with Python. So that's how to automatically save and load using Python program. So that's all for this video. Please, if you are new to this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And also, please don't forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching and see you next time.